Lie, pension disruption 330. Continuously we find out how to nano-engineer the pension system that is falling a 25%. I made a video in Spanish where you can see 25% of the real value of your pension is falling every year. Why? Because this is in Spain, but again, in all the different countries in Europe you have the same logarithm for the social security, 25% employee, then income tax 25, then social, then the profit tax 24, then you have the water, then things that they really look after the government and how they occupy these buildings. Yeah, I call them ocupas. Yes, we have 4 or 5 layers of ocupas building, public buildings. In Spain there's 50,000 public buildings, yes. And then how much it costs, who gets all the money there? The Friends of the Labour Party or the what political party, and then you have 21% of VAT. Total, that's 100% of the value of all. That's why everybody now is consuming white brands, and that's minus 40%. Total is 60%, and therefore your pension falls 25% or everybody else's purchasing value. So what is the solution? The solution is to have a bonus for all the workers up to 2,000 euros tax-free. Yeah, the best workers, the nano fighters, the soldados, the nano, yes, army, thank you, Navy, very much, thank you very much. You are the warriors in every company, a small, medium, this is a nano war. So you have to give them a bonus, 2,000 euros net, they don't pay any tax. Why? Because those are going to be the pensions of the others. And then you have the mini job in Europe that we need 4 million seafarers, but of course, we also need electricians, plumbers, everything in Europe. Yeah, politicians are only going to occupy buildings, that's all they know. They don't know how to disrupt this, because the only way to disrupt this is to have a flat income tax, flat social security, flat profit tax, flat VAT. No, just kill it. It only gives food for those occupying buildings. Yeah, this is the logarithm. They don't even know how to disrupt. The only way to disrupt is just put flat figure for all. If you get social security 400 euros, that's it, same for all. If you earn 100,000 or 25,000, it's up to you to earn more, isn't it? No, or we, the ones that work 18 hours, we have to pay for you. Forget about it, come on. So the result of this is that you are going to get 25% less purchasing power if you retire today. So do never retire, and do ask kindly those occupying public government buildings to give you up to 2,000 net wage. If you produce more, because you're going to help the country, you are the nano warrior. We need you. Thank you. Bye.